Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Semua dah ready?
Tak, sir.
Okay. Today we have 16 students. Who else is not there? Who's not here? Sharizwan is not here. Vinoshan, not here. Jaga,
Sir.
is not here.
Sir. Present, sir.
Present, Jaga, you are here? Are you
Vinoshan,
here?
sir.
Vinoshan here?
I'm here, sir. Here, sir.
I don't see your name. I don't see your name. Okay, your name is right at the bottom. Okay, Vinoshan is here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Jaga. Jaga is not here. Nurin Syafawati.
Ada, sir.
Okay. I saw your name. Nur Alia. Najiha is not here.
Sudah bagi salam tu jawab.
Nur Alia is not here.
Mana ni?
Muhammad Syami. Muhammad Syami also not here.
Not.
Oh, okay. Muhammad Syami here.
Ada.
Amalina,
Marina, sir.
Ya, ada, sir. Tak ada.
okay. Amalina is not here. So basically that Sharizwan is always having problem with the connection. So this one he will follow through the YouTube lah later. Okay. And Jaga is not here. Nur Alia is not here, and Amalina is not here. Okay, now we start. Do I have I start recording ke tak? Dah start kot. How come it's 47 minutes already? Okay. Now I'm going to share the slides. Before that, let me wait. Let me go to the slides that I want to start with. Okay. I go to here.
Dia tak apalah, dia dah atas sendiri.
Siapa? Okay. I'm going to share. Desktop. Go to desktop, application window, power slideshow, and share. So everybody can see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, I think I have to the number of the exercises I will correct later because it jumps from 1 to 4. So I need to correct that. Okay. Everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
So,
Okay, sir.
okay,
Yes,
this is actually, okay, now we start with the exercise 1. This exercise, basically that I gave as an, quiz for you to submit today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, before the lecture today, right? So everybody has submitted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who else has not submitted? Okay, now, what is the answer for this one? What is OP1?
OP1 non-everything.
OP1 is the non-inverting amplifier.
OP1.
Why is non-inverting amplifier?
OP1
OP1 is non-inverting amplifier because the non-inverting amplifier for OP1 is because the negative terminal is grounded and the positive terminal is the input. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ya.
So this is OP1 is a non-inverting. What about OP2?
OP2
Voltage follower.
voltage follower, sir.
OP2 is voltage follower or the unity
Follower.
what? Unity what?
Amplifier.
Unity gain amplifier. Okay.
Oh, kalau dia unity follower
Okay.
salah.
With a non-inverting. There's a special case of non-inverting amplifier, which is a unity gain amplifier.
So kalau 3
What
unity
about
follower,
OP3?
Inverting.
What about OP3? What is the
summing amplifier.
OP3 is the summing amplifier. Summing amplifier because you sum up two inputs.
Input.
Two inputs. You sum it up. And you ground the positive terminal. This is really an inverting summing amplifier. So everybody got that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So now, what is the V out? V out is basically that in order to find the V out, you need to calculate what is the output of OP1 and the output of OP2. Then use this value as an input to OP3. So what is the output of OP1?
2.1.
What is the gain?
2.1.
What is the gain?
2 point.
The
2.1.
gain is basically 1 plus 400
plus
divided by the 20.
20.
So
Yeah.
the gain is about 21, right?
Yes,
21.
Yes, sir.
So 0.1 multiplied by 21, so it's 2.1, right?
Yes, sir.
2.1, bu.
2.1 here,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
2.1 volt,
2.1.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what about the output of OP2?
0.1.
0.1.
The output of 0.1. So basically that you have, so V out, VO is equal to minus RF over,
V1
can you do that? No, you cannot do that because this resistance and this resistance are not the same value. So therefore, this output, which is 2.1 times 100K divided by 20K plus 0.1 times 100K divided by 10K,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
So what's the result?
Negative.
11.5.
11.5, sir.
11.5.
So negative
Then
11.5.
0.5.
Yes,
11.5.
negative because it's an inverting amplifier.
Yes.
Because it's an
Yes.
inverting
Bagus
summing
from negative.
amplifier.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yeah.
So everybody understands that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, what about this one? Determine the closed loop voltage gain of amplifier in figure 12:18. So what kind of amplifier is this? What kind of
Non-inverting?
amplifier is it? This is a non-inverting.
Inverting.
Non-inverting. So what is the formula for non-inverting amplifier? V out is equal to 1 plus
1 plus
1
RF.
plus over Ri times V in,
Yes.
right? So therefore, the closed loop gain is actually 1 plus Rf over Ri. So what is Rf over Ri?
100 over 4.7.
100K
100K
divided by
4.7.
4.7K.
7.
So what is the value? Calculate. What's the value? Calculate.
Sekejap, sir.
Okay, use your calculator.
21.3, sir.
How many?
21.3.
Calculator.
1.2.
30.227.
3.
21.2.
21.27.
21.27. Wait, let me see. This is chapter 12.
Yes, sir.
Chapter 12. Let me go through the textbook. Chapter 12. Okay. Okay. The closed loop gain is actually equal to 1 plus Rf over Ri. So equal to 1 plus 100K divided by 4.7K. So the answer is 22.3, right? Everybody get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is that easy? Yeah. So there is the what do you call it? This example in 12-3. So in the test, so maybe it's something like this. Yeah. The next one, given the OpAmp configuration in that figure, determine the value of RF required to produce a closed loop gain of minus 100. So from this slide, this diagram, you know there is a inverting amplifier, right?
Yes, sir.
Because the input is at the negative terminal.
Terminal.
So when you have inverting amplifier, what is the formula for the closed loop gain?
RF over RI kot, sir.
AV is equal to minus
Minus RF
RF
RI
over
over
RI. So that is equal to minus 100, right? Is it not?
Yes,
For
sir.
this
Sir, where's
example,
But
AV
mula mula.
AV is equal to minus RF over RI, right?
Yes.
That is actually given to be minus 100 in the equation, right?
Yes.
So that means that RF over RI is equal to
Negative 100.
100. So now RF over RI is equal to 100. What is the value of RF for this particular circuit?
22.
Basically that 100 multiplied by 2.2
2.2.
K.
Negative 220, sir.
Cannot be negative
200.
because resistance.
220.
Tak negatif kan, sir?
Tak ada
So
negatif ke, sir?
tak ada because the negative is cancelled out.
Sebab dia E. Yeah.
Tahu sebab AV
The-
dapat negative 100 equal to negative RF over
Yes.
R1.
So negative cancel out.
Oh,
So
negative
you have
RF.
220,000.
kilo.
Right. So basically 220 kilo ohm.
Ohm.
So there is another way of the question can be designed. So this is actually not straightforward. This one basically that you ask the question actually asking you to find the resistor instead of giving you the value of resistor and ask you to calculate for the gain. This one is gain is given and one of the value of the resistor is given, the other one is not. So there are so many ways a question can be designed in order to test your understanding. Okay? Next, clear this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
kalau what's that called? Kalau gain kita panggil VO over V in. Kalau RF over RI tu kita panggil apa, sir?
It depends on your on the type of the amplifier. It's still the gain is always V out over V in. Always V out over V in. But for the inverting amplifier, V out over V in is equal to minus RF over RI. That is for the inverting amplifier. For the non-inverting amplifier, V out over V in is equal to 1 plus
1
RF
plus
over
RF
RI.
over RI. Okay, sir.
Clear?
Sir.
Clear,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next one. You are given this diagram.
Coming.
Determine the voltage, the output voltage in that figure. Calculate.
Non-negative.
Can you calculate?
Wait, sir.
Do you have your what do you call it pen and paper in front of you.
Yes.
Calculator.
You can answer.
What?
What?
You left
What? What?
your stationery in the UPNM. You didn't
Yes, sir.
bring that home.
Calculator tak
Yes,
apa,
sir.
sir.
Korang tak bawa,
You
sir.
do calculator.
Oh, calculator guna je lah jari. You can use your finger to calculate, to count what.
Cannot, sir.
How about zero?
Okay, over 10K you cannot even count lah.
budaya, faham?
10K over 10K you cannot even count.
Jangan,
lagi.
sir. Saya kau
10K.
budak.
10 over 10 satu
kotak.
je.
What is the output?
Congak.
Berapa EJ kau congak berapa?
Congak.
Okey, siap. Bagi masa.
Awal.
What is the
Okay,
answer?
nak congkan.
Negative 12, sir.
Negatif 12.
How?
Kan?
How?
Ya ke?
Jap. Kena congak. 3 divided by 10.
But
Jap. Kita letak bracket.
Kau diam.
not equal to negative R
V out is equal to what?
RF
Guna KCL ke, sir?
Huh?
negative RF
Okay.
plus
Okay, from this you see.
R1 plus V2 R2 over
Okay, you remember that
Ni.
the factor.
One. Just guna I. Teacher father-in-law.
Wait,
First, what type of
Step.
amplifier is this?
summing.
What type?
Summing. Sum.
This is a summing amplifier. It's a
Yeah.
inverting summing amplifier. So basically that the output with the opposite sign. You add and you have the output, the
Negative.
opposite sign.
Yes,
So now,
sir.
what is the ratio? What is the ratio of Rf over Ri?
Negatif
One,
one.
sir. One, sir.
10K over 10K is 1. 10K over 10K is 1. 10K over 10K is 1.
Boleh
Yes.
contoh.
So
Kita
when the ratio is 1, so therefore V out is equal to minus V in minus V in 1 minus V in 2 minus V in 3.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So
1.2 je.
basically V out is equal to minus 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 8. So equal to minus
12.
12. So minus 12 V out. So all you get, all got the answer, minus 12.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Got
Yes, sir.
very easy.
Yes.
Very easy. Okay, now the next one.
Simple.
So what kind of amplifier is this? It says that it's a summing amplifier.
Summing.
So determine the output voltage
Negative
of the summing
0.7.
amplifier.
0.2 plus 0.5.
Negative 0.7.
Negative
Eh,
0.7.
Wait.
Negative 7,
No,
sir.
no. 10K.
Okay,
Okay.
negative 7.
Negative 7, sir.
How do you know?
Sebab dia
Because
punya
the
ratio
ratio is
kan.
7, sir.
to 10.
Okay, the
But
ratio is that okay? This one is 10K over 1K. So the ratio is 10, right?
10.
So 10K over 1K is also 10. So therefore, 0.2 times 10 is 2 volt. 0.5 times 10 is 5 volts.
5.
So 2 plus 5 is 7.
7.
It is the
7.
inverting amplifier. So basically it's minus
7.
7 volts. Easy.
Yes.
Yes. Next one. What kind of amplifier is this?
Summing.
Summing.
Summing amplifier. Now, the question is that for you to show that this amplifier produce an output whose magnitude is mathematical average of the input voltage. What is the mathematical average? What does it mean by
Mathematical
mathematical average?
Mathematical average.
Negative
Yes.
0. Negative 2.5.
Arah ke?
It's 2.5 volt V output.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
5 volts, sir.
Huh?
5 volts.
Are you sure it's 5 volt?
4.
Negative 2.5.
No,
Yes.
Negative 2.5.
Yes,
the,
sir.
the output is negative 2.5.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is that
2.5.
the mathematical average of
No,
those
kena
inputs?
bagi dengan
No.
4.
Yeah.
How?
Kena
Kena
bagi
divide
dengan 4. Oh.
by sebab dia ratio.
So
Sebab
basically, the mathematical average is actually is equal to V out is equal to 1/4 of V in plus V in 1 plus V in 2, V in 3 plus V in 4 because you have 4 signals. So therefore, you divide by 4,
4.
right? So
Yes,
if you
sir.
divide by 4, is you get 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 divide by 4. So you get
2.5.
10
Negative.
divided by 4 is equal to 2.5.
Yes,
Whereas
sir.
this amplifier will give you is minus 2.5 volt. So therefore, the magnitude, the output, the magnitude of the output signal of this amplifier is 2.5. So we have proven that this amplifier is actually giving you the magnitude of the mathematical average of the 4 input voltages. Okay, simple. Now we go into something which is a bit more difficult. So, what is this?
Summing.
Summing.
Summing amplifier, but what type?
Inverting.
Inverting. sir.
Yes, inverting. But how does this, the ratio?
Tak menentu.
Ratio dia berbeza-beza.
Berbeza-beza.
Berbeza-beza. Basically, this is a scaling adder, which is you have weightage.
Bruh.
Each input multiplied by a weightage, a ratio, right? A different ratio. What is the first ratio? First one.
0. Tak tahu, sir.
Tak tahu.
2000.
10
Tahu,
divided
sir.
by 47.
So,
What is the ratio?
4.7.
4.7.
4.7.
No, 10 divided by 4.7
Okay.
RF over R1.
0.2128.
Something like that, right?
0.2.
So the ratio for the second one, what is the factor? 10K divided by 100K. So there is the ratio of 0.1,
0.1.
not 10.
0.1.
The third one, 10K divided by 10K is 1. So those are the ratios. Therefore, what is the output?
8 plus 0.2
Yes, sir.
plus
Something
like that.
about 0.639.
Yeah.
So 0.639 plus 0.2 plus 8 volt and
8.
change the sign. So you get minus 8.84
Minus 8
volt.
point.
Simple, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So if there is the question comes out like that, you should be able to answer. Any questions so far?
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
Okay. This one. Now, calculate the value of V1 is required to produce V out of 500 millivolt.
Yang benda tadi.
So, this is actually a difference amplifier. So, basically, you subtract, right?
Yes.
So, what's the ratio? What's the ratio of V1 and V2?
3.
150 divided by 50, so it's a 3.
3.
So, you multiply by 3, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the formula for this? V out is equal to
Equal to
V
R
out equals
R1
R2 over R1.
minus V1 times V2 minus V1.
Yeah. Bracket V2 minus V1.
Yang tu, sir.
Hmm?
Rambut.
What's the formula?
V out equal to
V
R
Out is
over R
equal
right
to
times V2
R
minus
two
V1.
Y1. Bracket
3 times V1 minus V2 minus V1.
yes
Yes.
sir.
Okay, now. So V out is 500 millivolt. Is also 500 millivolt is equal to 3 times V2 minus V1. So 500 millivolt divided by 3 is
Dapat perpuluhan 0.6666. Hilang lagi.
dapat macam tu.
Ha.
So what is the answer? Who got the
V1
answer?
40.33 milliwatt.
40.33 millivolt.
Ah.
Okay.
Tapi macam mana
Okay.
saya ada L tu sir?
Sekejap lah.
Okay sir.
So basically you have 500 divided by 3
Maki je
is
lah
equal
kan.
to 16 by that, and then V2 is 207 minus 207 is equal. So the answer is actually 40.33 millivolt, right?
Volt.
V1 40.33 millivolt, right? V1. Everybody got that.
Kejap je.
Sekejap je.
Boleh?
Kejap je. Tengah start.
So where did you start?
Oh, nak you macu ni.
Eh?
Dekat atas dia ni.
Kejap.
Boleh buat? Sekejap Nampak tak?
Tak
Tak
saya.
nampak.
Tak sir.
Nampak sir.
Sir guna whiteboard sir.
Sekejap Okay. Where is the whiteboard?
Here sir, biar saya tolong bukakan untuk sir.
Okay.
Ada hilang.
Mana dah?
Dah tu sir.
Mana?
Ni.
Okay. Mana whiteboard? Okay. Apa tu ada
Turn off turn.
apa benda ni?
Betul.
Ha?
Use whiteboard in Teams instead. Okay. Nampak?
Ada
I'm-
benda.
Ada pen. Okay, so basically that erase sikit. So basically the question just now is that 500, right?
Yes.
500
Yes sir.
millivolt.
Sir kenapa saya tak nampak sir?
Nampak tak?
Okay.
Nampak sir. 500.
Nampak tak?
Nampak sir.
Kenapa?
Ha?
Nampak.
Siapa menyonting tu?
Kau join ni.
Azri
Saya
sir.
dapat.
Jangan conteng, sir je tulis.
Aku dah join.
Okay. This is equal to what was the question just now?
207 millivolt.
Wait. The ratio
Mana?
3, right?
3
150.
sir. 15 over 5.
3
150
over 50.
over 50.
50.
So macam susah je nak tulis.
Memanglah saya susah. Saya pakai cursor je.
Saya faham sir.
Siapa lukis tu?
Tak apa, aku tolong padamkan, jangan risau.
Times V2
207.
minus V1, right?
No.
1.
Okay. So this is 3. So 500 milli
500.
divided by 3, right?
Yes.
Is equal to
Wait.
minus
DJ.
Tak.
V1, right?
Janganlah.
Yes,
Saya guna formula mana tu?
Tengok.
formula.
Formula mana tu?
Ni formula yang different tu kan?
Yes.
Right.
This is the difference. Difference amplifier. When you have two inputs, right? We have add the positive and negative. So there's a difference amplifier. Differentiating amplifier. So what is V2?
207 millivolt.
200.
So
7
minus V1 is equal to berapa?
500 millivolt
500
500.
millivolt.
per 3 plus V2.
500 millivolt
Sabar Aisyah,
divided
sabar.
by 3
Dan
minus
V2.
207, right?
7.
So what is the value? So this is actually equal to minus 40.33 millivolt, right?
Betul sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is the answer. So
dia
V1
punya
is 40.33. Yes?
equation dia bukan V1 minus V2 ke sir? Equation dia bukan V1 minus V2 ke sir?
Equation dia tu tapi kau kena ni kira dia macam
Eh.
berbeza sikit.
Ya.
Sebab
Tak ada
dalam
buat salah ni.
formula
Aduh.
V1 dengan V2 dia terbalik. Dengan soalan yang berbeza.
Kejap saya cari. Saya cari. Terbalik ya? Terbalik ubah je lah.
Balik kan sir?
Terbalik ubah. Okay. Sekejap. Share. Here. Here. This.
Yes sir.
Betul.
Tapi dalam soalan tu V2 dengan V1 dia terbalik sir.
Ya betul.
Sebab tu
Betul
dalam
lah.
yang kita kira tadi tu V2 tolak V1 sebab dia terbalik dua.
So tukar the value je lah. Right? What is the value?
Kan?
Apa ya?
Apa je negative 40.
The value is still the same, 40.33, right?
Yes.
Okay. So there is the answer. Siapa lagi yang apa ni, yang confused?
Kita answer.
You just follow this formula.
Okay, faham sir, faham.
Okay.
Alah, bawah tolak atas. Kan sir?
Iyalah. The positive terminal minus the negative terminal. So that's why I use that. You always remember. The positive minus the negative. Okay?
Only
Baik
jawapan
sir,
for-
baik.
Okay. So my solution is correct because I use that convention. The plus minus the minus terminal. Itu je. You always remember that for the difference amplifier.
Okey sir. Sir, dia kemungkinan dia ada tiga. Tak ada. Tak apa, tak
What
apa.
Tak apa.
kemungkinan what? I can do this. This one I can make it into like a summing amplifier, this part.
Alah sir, janganlah sir.
Sir, tak apalah sir.
Actually,
Jangan
Okay,
tambah-tambah sir.
whatever I add here, actually
Akan sama
Just not
dengan kat atas.
better as long as you can do the summation here at this node. This is important. Actually, you do the summation at this node. I can put 10 input here. Still, as long as I can get the value here, you can solve the problem. Even if I put 20 here, you calculate what is the point here. So this point minus this point. You get the answer. Okay? But I will not do that in your test lah.
Tak boleh menangis nanti sir.
Yeah.
Quiz tak apa, sir. Quiz tak apa.
Quiz tak boleh, tak boleh. Untuk mu je boleh.
Okay, now.
Saya sir.
What? Okay, now. You can see this diagram, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now. So what was the V out just now? 40.33.
40.33.
40.3.
So what is the IL? Ohm's law.
KCL.
KCL.
Ohm's law.
Oh, no, you don't need to do KCL.
Ohm's
Nothing.
law.
V equal to
You just
IR.
need V equal to IR. So basically that.
Sebab V dia equal
So
sama
no, because when you know the voltage here, this voltage minus 0
is
divided by the RL. So V out minus 0 divided by RL is equal to IL. So what's the IL? So 40.33 millivolt divided by 4 kilo ohm.
10
So
point
therefore
something.
10 point something. 10.01. Huh?
Tak
No, it's
besar
not.
sangat ke 10.
That one, this is actually just for calculation.
Okay.
So for the power transistor, it can go up to 10. For power amplifier, it can go up to 10 amps. It can go even higher. It depends on the device. It depends on the device. Yeah. So next one. Using inverting circuits, design the amplifier with voltage gain of 88. So for inverting amplifier, this is an inverting circuit. So basically that the first part, you need to design inverting amplifier with a closed loop gain of 88. So what is the value?
91.
It depends on your inverting. What is the gain? Inverting is basically that RF over RI.
RI.
So it can be any combination as long as RF over RI is equal to 88. That can be your answer. Any combination. So maybe 88 kilo ohm. RF is equal to 88 kilo ohms and RI is equal to 1 kilo ohm. Or 8.8 kilo ohms with
0.1.
0.1 kilo ohms. So any combination as long that it gives you RF over RI is equal to 88.
88.
So for the second part, redesign the circuit using non-inverting circuits. So now the gain of the non-inverting circuit that you need is 88. So what is the formula of the gain? Is 1 plus RF over RI, right?
RI.
Yes, sir.
So RF over RI is equal to 88 minus 1. So equal to 87.
7.
So any combination of RF and RI give you 87 is the answer for this question. So RF over RI equal to 88. So any combination, maybe RF is equal to 87 kilo ohms and RI is equal to 1 kilo ohms. And you need to draw the circuits. Itu ya. So this is actually and can be an example in the test.
Jangan rasa.
Ada.
Johnson jangan rasa.
Saya kalau dah ada
Kiranya boleh
design
jadi
ni,
apa-apa nilai rasa.
saya
That
belajar.
is the design. This is the design question. So for example, let's say I give you an example
Example.
of the test one. Okay. Wait, let me give you an example. Okay. Now, what do you see? You see this, right? You see the PowerPoint, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
boleh keluar?
Do you see the Word document? No.
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 Sir.
You don't see the Word document, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I stop sharing this. Then I share the new one. Okay. I share the application window. I share this. Okay. Now, can you see the Word document?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is an example of the test one. So this is actually question number one. Question number two. Okay. Question number two is 15 marks. For example, I gave you the circuits. Okay. I give you these circuits. Okay. So from the figure, you analyze and find the value of V out 1, V out 2, V out 3, and V out 4.
Banyak je, sir.
14 marks. Banyak lah.
Banyaknya sedikit sana.
So first, you need to recognize, to identify what types of OM that you have. What is the type of OM number one?
Penting.
Inverter.
There is an inverting amplifier, right?
Yes.
What about the second one?
Unity.
Difference amplifier, because you see this,
Difference.
input here, we have
Ground.
two input. Okay,
Yes.
difference amplifier. What is the third one?
Inverting.
Inverting
Inverting.
amplifier.
Inverting.
What is this one? You see?
Sam.
Some mean
Combination dengan
different.
different.
Different. Some.
Yes,
Some then different.
yes. So, what is the VO1? What is the VO1?
Oh,
What is the VO1?
Kira-kira
This ratio, the ratio is 2, right? So,
Four.
VO1 is
Negative force.
minus 4 volts. Okay,
Minus four.
minus 4 volts. So, what about this one? VO2, minus 4,
0.3.
1K divided by 3K, right? 1/3, right? It's 1/3,
sir.
right? So, this
0.3.
0,
0.3.
1/3.
1.3,
Are you sure 0, 0?
1.3.
Lebih kurang.
Yeah.
So, what about this one?
One.
Sir, sekejap yang atas saya tak dapat.
1
Tak
over
dapat.
5.
Sekejap. Ya. Saya buka. This is the okay. I share a different one. Okay, where is the Okay, nampak solution dia?
Nampak.
Nampak lah.
Good. So the first one is minus 4 volts because this is actually the inverting amplifier. Okay, basically RF over R1 times minus VI. So 2 volt times 2K over 1K. So equal to minus 4 volt. The second one is the difference amplifier. So 2 volts minus V plus divided by R1. Okay. The diagram ni silap sikit ni. The diagram of this okay. Missing the this diagram. Wait. Okay. Basically, this actually we have the 1 kilo ohm resistor here, so that you have the voltage divider. Right? So missing here. Right? So the voltage here is basically that the 2 times 2.5 kilo ohm here. So there is a voltage divider. Okay.
Tak faham je.
Tak faham?
Tak. Apa yang
Difference
voltage
ni-
divider, sir?
Apa bising tu? Siapa bising tu? Kejap saya tengok.
Take 5, sir.
Take 5 sir.
Okay, take 5. Kau nak berhenti sini, dah
Yes,
pukul 5
sir.
lebih dah ni. Dah 1 hour.
Okay, sir. Saya
Boleh,
setuju.
sir.
Kita orang try back.
Bateri habiskan.
Nanti kita discuss.
Nanti kita discuss soalan tu. So share lah.
Bak solat asal, sir.
So you want to stop here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You want to stop here? I can stop because it's actually 1 hour something already.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
1 hour and a half.
So if
Saya
Amalina baru masuk ke?
Dia dah masuk tadi, sir. Dia
Dia
adik baru masuk tadi.
So
Dia masuk
attend
tadi
lah.
kata.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Attend.
So dia ada kelas apa ni, the previous one tak attend lah.
Yang previous one tak attend. Hari ni attend.
Okay. So basically that we have 1, 2, 3 non-attendance for today. So this quite a good number. So it's okay. So whatever it is, you review back. You can replay the lecture in the YouTube later. For this example, for the test question, I will give you the solution later.
Alright, sir.
So
Okay,
that
sir.
we can stop here. So if anything, you can send through email or through WhatsApp for clarification.
Alright, thank you,
So
sir.
thank you and have a good weekend.
Okay,
And don't
sir.
forget
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
and don't forget to do your assignments. So
Alright,
because
sir.
Alright.
I have given three assignment. So this one I have not given yet, right?
Sir. Assignment
Yes.
tu nak hantar macam mana, sir?
Hantar macam mana?
Email je ke,
By
sir?
email ke? By WhatsApp ke?
By email, okay.
Okay,
No
email
problem.
boleh, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, handwriting tak apa kan?
Tak kisah.
Alright, sir.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, kalau
Pastikan, sir.
Sir, kalau
Sir,
buat
assignment dia apa?
assignment tu dalam Word, boleh ke?
Boleh.
Alright, sir.
Macam mana nak buat dalam
Anything.
Attach je.
Okay. Thank you. I'm
Okay,
going to
bye,
stop the
sir.
recording.
Alright.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Selamat
sir.
berpuasa, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Selamat
Thank you, sir.
Berpuasa
Selamat